Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about another coin and another game. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. Without further ado, let's get it. So what if a simple mobile game could quietly turn into a real earning opportunity? Not hype, not speculation, just gameplay turning into value. Because right now, something new is about to launch. On April 15, 2 p.m. KST, a new coin goes live on Lbank. And it starts with chickens and eggs. The core currency behind the play to earn game, Farm Today, at first it looks like a casual farming game, but underneath it's built around a full earning ecosystem. Farm Today is already available for download. No complicated setup, no steep learning curve. You jump in, build your farm, and start raising your chickens. It's light, it's relaxing, and it's designed so anyone can play. But the real story begins when you start collecting. Every chicken you raise produced eggs. At first, it feels like a simple game mechanic, but these eggs are more than just progress. They are the foundation of the entire system. Those eggs can be converted into FP, the in game points that track your earning potential. And this is where the shift happens from playing to accumulating value. Inside the game's wallet, your FP can be exchanged into Fafakan coin, a real crypto asset, and once Fafi goes live on Lbank, it enters the open markets, meaning your in game activity can move beyond the game itself. Let's simplify everything. So eggs, FP, Pafai coin, and then Lbank. A completely play to earn loop built on a casual or mobile experience. Of course, it's not just passive. Your progress depends on how you play, your in-game item to boost egg production speed, participate in mini games to earn extra FP. Optimize your farm for better efficiency. The more strategic you are, the more you can potential gain. And here's where the things get even more interesting. There's an ongoing referral event. Invite your friends and you receive 10% of the eggs they produce. No extra effort required. Your network becomes part of your growth. Farm Today is simple and on the surface, but behind it, it's a system design or reward activity. A game where playing leads to progress. Progress leads to points. Points leads to tokens. And tokens reach the markets. On April 15, 2 p.m. KST Lbank listing, this isn't just another game launch, it's a moment to watch. Because sometimes opportunity don't look like opportunities at first. Sometimes they look like a farm.